guys, it's your girl Nisha back with another vlog. Okay, so I did a poll on the community asking you all which DIY project you all wanted to see me build first, and you all voted to see the entryway table. So that's what we're going to be building today. So we are in the garage because that's where most of this project is going to take place, and we're going to just go ahead and get started because it's a nice day and I'm trying to get in these streets. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get right into this vlog. Safety first.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby.
All right, guys, I just finished cutting all of my pieces. Now I'm going to sand them down and then start assembling the table so I can wrap this up. Nope, I still gotta prime and paint. But either way, let's move on to the next step. All right, guys, the table is built. It's built. I mean, I like it. I like it. Was it difficult? A little bit more difficult than I thought it would be. I think I overestimated myself, but it came together. So let me show you what the table looks like now that Dante and I have brought it in from the garage prior to me priming and painting it. All right. This is the table. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime it and then get it ready for paint. And then I can decorate it and we can see what it looks like completed. All right, I'll be back. For the primer, I'm gonna be using this quick dry stain blocking primer that I got from Sherwin-Williams.
Shit, what the fuck you complaining for?
guys. So as you can see, it is the next day and I am out at my rental home. And I was editing a vlog and realized that I never closed out yesterday's vlog. I was so tired. But anyway, I'm going to insert a picture of my inspiration for the table. I never even mentioned that I saw it on Pinterest, I believe. And I just really liked it and was like, I probably could build it. It doesn't look exactly the same as the inspirational photo, but it kind of has the same idea. But anyway, I really liked it. So that's where I got the inspiration from. Also, all of the material that I bought to build the table cost me less than $100. Which was my budget for the table, and it came out on budget. Also, the stuff that I used to decorate the table, the lamp came from at home. The pillars for the candle, I got it at a thrift store maybe a year or so ago, and then or maybe a little bit longer, and I spray painted them gray because that was the colors that I was using in my other rental home. The vase, I got that from another thrift store recently, and it was an ugly like brown mustardy color, so I like textured painted it white just by using some white paint and some baking soda. The book I've shown you all before. I got all of those things, the book, the beads, no, the book, and from in the vase. Oh, so I got the book from Home Goods, and then I got the beads from like Amazon, and the little white knot looking thing I showed you all in my home. What store was that? I showed you all in my last haul, and Hobby Lobby. And then I got the vase, I believe, also from a thrift store a while ago for maybe like $2 or $3. So anyway, that will be it for this vlog. I just wanted to kind of like put an ending on this vlog and also kind of tell you all where I got my inspiration from this for the table, as well as the products that I used. Because I just didn't do it. I was like I said, I was super tired. I worked, and then Dante and I went to an 8 o'clock show to see Batman, and it was 3 hours. And then I came back home and decorated the table. So it was a very, very long day. But anyway, thanks again for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Good night.